You know that feeling of you shouldn't have done that? That was that feeling. Well, hello, my name is Caprielannissa and welcome to my channel. Today we are going to be talking about my 4th month update. I know I'm a couple of days behind, but I still made it here. But I mean, just showing up matters though, right? As you guys know, I have an updated hair care routine that you guys can go watch and see all the new products and vitamins that I have been taking, so that you guys can also purchase those items if you feel that you need those items, because I just love how organic and clean the products are in that line, and I really think that it has been helping to contribute hair growth in my hair care journey after my hair transplant. I definitely just want to talk really quick with you guys. I'm starting something new with my hair care routine now. I know every day I was washing my hair, if not every other day, but I think I'm now going to go back to every 3 days. I think I'm just going to immerse my hair with water. I haven't washed my hair in 2 days thus far, so this is my 2nd day going on not washing my hair. Although my hair is drenched and wet right now, as you guys can see, I just got in the shower and I just let the water go crazy. I think I'm gonna just continue to do that on the days that I don't wash my hair, but I still want to add in some products. The products that I have been using for once I get out of the shower after my shampoo, I use the Hair Growth Co. Chebe Rice Water Leave-In Growth Conditioner, and then I also use the Kinky Curly Not Today leave-in conditioner. I use both of these, and then I have been typically using the 10-in-1 growth oil. If you guys haven't heard about that, it is definitely in my updated hair care routine. You guys will be able to find more details about all those products and how I feel about them. And instead of using the 10-in-1 oil, because I am running a little bit low, I don't know if y'all can see how low that is, but it's running a little low, so now I'm gonna go for the Mael Rosemary Mint Light Oil. I know y'all know what oil this is. It's just a lighter weight version, okay? So I think it works really well with my low porosity hair. So I'm gonna continue to use the base of liquid items, and I'm just gonna saturate my hair a little bit more, just to get it really nice and wet, because like I need to put on a towel. I would hate to mess up this robe. I'm fully coated. I'm just gonna spray some more because it needs water. My hair loves water, and you can never go wrong with water. So I just saturated my hair like normal. I'm gonna put equal parts of this Kinky Curly Not Today and also the Hair Growth Co. Leave-In Conditioner. So about that much. Nothing like super duper serious. I'm just going to put it in all over my hair, in my recipient area and my donor area. So once I've gotten all this product in my hair, I'm going to use this oil, and I'm just going to take about a syringe worth, a dropper worth, whatever it's called, and I'm just going to put it on my base and then put it all throughout my ends. That way it's not dry and feeling all Brillo pad like, you know. But my hair has been literally drinking up this water. Like, all that water I put in my head is not dripping like it was. Now I take my wide tooth comb and I just comb it very carefully, as I would any other day. And my hair feels so amazing every time I do this. The perks about being here today on this particular video, and in any video in general, most of the time whenever I do updates like these, like actual stamped timed month 4, month 3, whatever video it is, these are actual live stamped times. And what I mean by that is this is actual real life time that I'm actually recording this. This is today's date. Versus whenever you guys see my shorts videos, which is a day-to-day updates on my hair, it's backdated 5 days or so. So this is in the now, and you guys get an advantage to know all the details. That's why it's good to follow me here on YouTube. So if you guys have not smashed that subscribe button and the bell notification button down below, I don't know what you're waiting on. The information comes a little bit faster here, you know, in the longer form content. So if you have not been keeping up with me on long form content, it is definitely well worth it, because you get a chance to see the progress a lot sooner than you would on my shorts video. So that's a perk. Why not? Also, I am going to share with you guys my hair growth in just a second, but while we are just getting my hair back to my normal styling, I did just want to include that now that we are on to month 4 now, there is no more itching, there is no more soreness, there's not as much shedding or anything like that going on. Everything is going completely back to normal. Everything is on the growth side. It's nothing but hair growth from this hair journey out. Although I have been having some sort of like crummy scabs, it feels like crumbs on my scalp. But nothing other than that, and I just feel like I just needed to figure out a way to rehydrate my hair a little bit better, which is why I am washing my hair every 3 days now instead of every single day, because we can kind of get back to normal. Because I do have 4 type hair, I do need to find a way to lock in more moisture in my hair, because we know that our hair thrives off of moisture, but it loves water more than anything. So now I'm just gonna continue to just wash with just water, no shampoo or nothing like that, and then just apply my moisture products as normal. Today for me is actually post-op day 125 for you guys. So we are jumping ahead of the shorts train. So in case you guys watch my daily shorts, I really do appreciate you guys coming by to watch my actual shorts in each and every single day, as well as watching this long form content, which is a couple of days ahead. I always try to state that if you guys don't remember, but this is actual a few days ahead of my shorts. So this is live day and time. When it also comes to sweating and working out of that nature, I have not been back to the gym. I don't know, I'm just being lazy or whatnot, but I haven't been back to the gym to even notice any difference of getting those bumps on my scalp again, which was the reason why I washed my hair in the first place quite often, because I know a lot of people were like, oh my god, you're washing your hair often, why? That was one of the major reasons why I started to go back to washing my hair every single day. But you guys are the first one to know that I am washing my hair every 3 days now. So the world doesn't even know this. I'm going to be recording my short for post-op day 125. They're not going to find out until later, but you got the word from me first, okay? A lot of people have been asking me, do I still wear my travel pillow? And the answer is yes. I feel like the longer you keep it up, it couldn't hurt any. First of all, it's super duper comfortable. It might sound uncomfortable when you wear your travel pillow, but I promise you, it just adds on extra cushion to you. Like, how could you have a bad sleep at night with a travel pillow? Try it one time, or if you have tried it, y'all let me know down in the comments below. What do you guys think about keeping your travel pillow with you to sleep with the hair transplant for a longer period of time? Because I feel like it's literally not hurting anything to just keep it up from not resting and laying on my edges. I do happen to wrap my hair up at night with scarves, and also using silk lined pillows, things of that nature, just for extra insurance for myself. But my travel pillow is still in the picture. There was a time where I did experiment with trying to do something with my edges, because as you guys can see, my hair is like getting really long here in the front. It's getting really long here in the front, and I might be able to do like some swoops or whatever to style my hair. So I did experiment with that with just some beeswax and a very light gel, not like a waxy gel or anything like that, or edge control or anything like that, that's heavy. but I tried something really light and it didn't turn out the way that I wanted to, although I can see the direction it was going, and I'm excited for when it actually comes to pass whenever I am able to style my hair. But it was very tender, and it's still tender to this very day, and that was like a couple of days ago. I think I'm kind of good on that for a while. I think I will hold off on trying to style my hair with the baby hairs and stuff like that, and gels and stuff like that, just because it's not a comfortable situation for me right now. So I don't know how some people do it, but I can't right now. My scalp is too tender right now. It feels like I shouldn't have done that. You know that feeling of you shouldn't have done that? That was that feeling. Although it is getting a little bit longer now, I am going to be showing you guys some hairstyles pretty soon. And also I am going to be uploading a video soon on a lot of topics, whether that's styling, things that have contributed to traction alopecia, tips and tricks that I used back in my day, products that I used back in my day to help the ones who do suffer from traction alopecia but don't have a plan to do a hair transplant, but seeking actual help for the ones who actually need it. Like I said, I used to be whoever's watching. Whoever's watching, I used to be you. So I know exactly what you're looking for. I know the things that you have struggled with. I can help. I haven't really been styling my hair really at all. Really, this has been the as-is hairstyle. I just put my poof back up, wash my hair, or moisturize my hair, and put it back into this poof. I haven't done any more manipulation with my hair than that. My hairline feels very tender whenever I'm trying to swoop and do little crazy things, and it's just not for me right now. I also just want to mention too as well, for the people who are thinking about wearing wigs, I would say now, as going into my 4th month right now, I feel like I am comfortable enough for myself to wear wigs. I'm not saying that I am wearing wigs or anything like that, but if I did decide to, I think I would feel okay. I think I would feel comfortable. Not that I have tried it out or anything like that, but as far as my scalp, how it feels comfortably to wear, like my hair topper that I've been wearing, it's been very nice. I haven't had any issues or soreness or any tenderness of wearing it. So yeah, I think I would feel comfortable by now at this time to wear a wig if I wanted to. So just in case if you guys were wondering about wigs. In case you guys also are curious as to what you should pack for a hair transplant surgery, I do happen to have that video in my feed if you guys want to take a look at that video. The only thing that I forgot to mention in that video is that you need a European universal charger. I forgot to mention that. That is like probably one of the #1 must-have brings for your packing, because you won't be able to use your phone or electronic devices if you don't have anything to charge it with, because they have different wall outlets from US. Unless you are going to the United States, you don't need that, but for the ones that are traveling abroad, then you definitely need to get that charger. I have still been taking my prenatal pill, as well as other multivitamins and other things of sort. I've been also taking other vitamins as well. You guys can find that in my updated hair care routine. You'll see all the list of products that I have been using up until now. But I just wanted to update you guys or fill you guys in case you missed it. For the famous 360, this is what my hair looks like. We look really, really good for the 4th month. And I'm going slow so you guys can capture everything. I think everything is going so great right now. My hair is just unbelievable. It is off the charts. Like, I don't know a lot of people that have this much growth, but like I said, I mean, I know I'm washing my hair a lot, but I think it's contributing to a lot of hair growth. I don't know if that's true or not, but I think it's helping with having my hair grow, you know, a lot, or keeping it more moisturized than the average person, you know. So I don't know. Let me know what you guys think about my hair care routine. Do you think I'm being harsh? Do you think things are just right? Should I keep going? What do you guys think? Let me know down in the comments what you guys think. Also, be sure to give this video a huge thumbs up and also watch one of these.